Hello dear friends, how are you doing? I am again Shauqatullah Himmat from Smart Engineers YouTube channel. Today is gonna be the third video on building estimation. Today we will calculate the PCC per our foundations. So one important issue that before we calculate any PCC or RCC calculation in our project building, so it's important to know the grade of concrete. Today I will show you the grade of concrete and the water cement ratio. It's really important to understand before you calculate the PCC or RCC per your structure members. Grade of concrete and water cement ratio. We have several types of concrete grade. So you can see here we have M5, M75, 7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, and so on. These are the grade of concrete. To understand what does M stand for? M stand for mix. M stand for mix, or we can say mix design. And pipe stands number 5. Number stands for the number stands for the characteristic compressive strength of the concrete in 28 days. Let's begin and show the ratio per each grade of concrete. If I write the grade here and here mix ratio. Mix ratio. Here we will have the grade in here we will have the mix design ratio like cement, sand and aggregate. Per M5 the mix ratio will be 1:5:10. 1 indicates the cement ratio, 5 indicates the sand ratio and 10 indicates the aggregate ratio. Per M7.5 mark it is 1, 4 and 8. Per M10 it is 1, 3 and 6. Per M15 it is 1, 2 and 4. Per M20 this is the almost ordinary grade of concrete that we use for structure members like footing and also column, beams, slab and staircases. Ratio of M20 is 1.5 and 3. So M25 1, 1, 2. So these are the common grade of concrete that we use in construction work. Let's calculate the water cement ratio per grade of concrete. So per water cement ratio we have a standard formula that water cement ratio it should be greater or equal to 0.3 and it should be less or equal than 0.6. So we can select a ratio from this formula. Normally we can pretend the water cement ratio like 0.4 or we can take it to 0.5. So this is the one method. I will show you the second method for water cement ratio that we understand from the construction side. The second method will be for 1 bag cement which equals to 50 kg water for different marks. I will write here the list that per 1 bag of cement per different mark is required. Per M pipe 60 liters are required. 2 per M 7.5 45 liters are required. 3 per M 10 34 liters are required. 4 per M 15 32 liters are required. 5 per M20 30 liters are required. In conclusion, I pretend water cement ratio equals to 0.6, so cement equals to 50 kilogram or 1 bag, you can say 1 bag cement. So we will calculate the water from this formula. The needed water will be equal to, from the formula. So we have 20 marks here, we have also 30 liter. This was just the video on grade of concrete. So it's really important to understand the grade of concrete before you calculate the PCC and RCC in your construction work. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.